Dealercenter Tutorial 2025 Full Dealercenter Training. In this video, I'll walk you through a full tutorial of Dealercenter in 2025, covering everything you need to know.
So to get started, once logged in, the dashboard offers shortcuts to CRM, inventory, deals, and reports. Click Add Inventory or the Inventory section to input vehicle details, upload photos, and assign status. Use VI undercoding for accuracy. Now head to the CRM tab to manage leads, track calls, appointments, emails, and notes for each customer. In the deal section, or when you click on this deal button right here, start by adding buyer info. Then enter vehicle, trade-in, down payment, financing, and any warranties. Use built-in credit pulls and desking tools to build multiple deal options for your buyer. In accounting, sync QuickBooks, log expenses, and monitor gross profits. Reports provide sales stats, lead sources, employee productivity, and vehicle trends. Mobile app users can snap photos, upload documents, and start deals on the lot. Under Admin, set permission, customize settings, and integrate third-party tools. Dealer Center is a powerful but intuitive, so take time exploring each tab. Trading videos and help guides are built in if you get stuck. And that's your full Dealer Center training.